If you've opened Yahoo Mail and thought, why does this look so different now? You're not alone. In this video, I'll show you how to change Yahoo Mail back to classic view using the built-in settings, step by step, so you can get a layout that feels more familiar and easier to use. This is a quick fix if you prefer the older style inbox, want to reduce clutter, or just want your email view to feel a little simpler again. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign in to your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside your inbox, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the settings icon, which usually looks like a little gear. This is where Yahoo keeps most of the display and layout options for your mailbox. After you click it, a settings panel should open on the side or in a new section of the page. From there, click More Settings. This will take you to the full settings menu where you can control different parts of your Yahoo Mail experience. On this page, you'll see several categories on the left-hand side. What you want to do next is find and click Viewing Email. This section controls how your messages are displayed, grouped, and organized in your inbox. Now, under Viewing Email, look for an option called Message Grouping. In many cases, this is one of the settings that makes Yahoo Mail feel less like the classic view and more like the newer style. Turn message grouping off by switching it to the off position. Depending on your account, there may be similar options on this page that affect how email threads appear. So if you see any grouping or conversation style settings, it's a good idea to review those as well. Once you've made the change, Yahoo Mail should update the inbox display automatically or after a quick refresh. At that point, take a moment to look over your inbox and make sure the view feels more like the classic layout you wanted. If it still doesn't look quite right, go back into More Settings and double check the viewing email options to make sure message grouping is fully turned off. And that's it. You've now changed Yahoo Mail back to a more classic view. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference if you prefer a cleaner, simpler inbox. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and if you want, leave a comment letting me know what other apps or settings you'd like help with next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.